Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 4 best pull-up bars. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is Iron Age Pull-Up Bar Doorway, US invention, patent with smart hook technology. In addition to being the owner of Iron Age Pull-Up Bar, I'm also a lifelong pull-upper, who was extremely disappointed at the easy bending and door damaging bars in the market. So I decided to design a pull-up bar both worthy of both my workout and my woodwork with. After 3 years hard working with my art team, we have the ultimate Iron Age leverage-based multi-grip portable doorway chin-up bar. Unlike most other doorway bars, Iron Age hanging bar allows you to perform true wide grip pull-ups. The grips extend to the outsides of your door frame, not inside it. So it is easy to activate different muscles via gripping at different distances, such as close grip, neutral grip, wide grip, etc. The various grips allow you to target different muscle groups in your shoulders, arms, back, etc. Thanks to the smart hook technology who applies the theory known as the lever law, our door bar is with very compact structure, very solid and space saving. Not a single screw is needed to install. If you know how to tie your shoes, you will know how to install it within 15 seconds. Our second product is Fierden Doorway Pull-Up and Chin-Up Bar. Why do we need a pull-up bar at home? In terms of versatility, there really is no better exercise for your back, lats, biceps and even your abs than the pull-up, and you're working them all at the same time. The beauty of the pull-up is that you don't even need a thousands of dollars gym membership to do it. If you have a door frame, then you're ready to pull. With a Fierden pull-up bar at home, you can do pull-ups, chin-ups and hand-over-hand dangling whenever you need a break. Spend less than $80 and devote 20 minutes each day to doing pull-ups. Patented solid construction. Innovative retainer designs to rhombus structure, will extend the extrusion pressure outward. Parliamentary PVC high-strength Oxford pad improves anti-skid durability and safety performance. Our third product is ProSource Fit Multi-Grip Chin-Up / Pull-Up Bar. The ProSource Fit Multi-Grip Pull-Up / Chin-Up Bar provides an inexpensive way to tone and build muscles at home, without large equipment or marring your doorframe with installation screws. Designed to slip into any standard doorways, the heavy-duty multi-grip pull-up bar can be installed anywhere you have a sturdy doorframe from 24 to 36. And if you have a permanent location in mind, it can also be mounted to the doorframe with the optional, included J-brackets. 12 cushion grip positions enable you to be able to develop your back, chest, shoulders, arms, and abdominal muscles with one simple piece of equipment. The bar now also includes 2 optional slip-on foam / PVC grips for the outermost handles to protect your doorframe. In addition to traditional pull-ups and chin-ups, the bar allows you to perform closed wide angle and hammer grips as well as multiple leg raises and oblique curls. Built to last, the multi-grip pull-up bar is constructed of high-grade steel for durability, safety, and long-term use. The bar can hold up to 300 pounds within a sturdy doorframe, making it ideal for a variety of users. Our fourth product is Sports Royals Power Tower Dip Station Pull-Up Bar. Pull-Up Station. Pull-up exercise back, forearms, biceps, shoulders and improve your grip strength. It boosts the upper body strength and are popular for broadening the back and shoulders. Vertical knee / leg raise. Vertical knee raise target your midsection from all angles. Use it to develop not only abdominal muscles, but stronger obliques and hip flexors. Push-up station. Push-up build your back and arm muscles, reinstate your shoulders, the triceps as well as help in building a stronger chest and improve upper body muscle groups. 6 adjustable height levels. 6 adjustable height of the pull-up bar that can be adjusted, and the height adjustable range is 64.56 88.18. You can fully extend the legs down. The lowest level is designed for children and the power tower is suitable for whole family workout.